Dr. Zakir, it's a topic that you and I love very much together. And I know that, of course, you are an authority in the world about it. Alhamdulillah, by the grace and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
I prefer calling myself a student of
Inshallah.
Islam and comparative religion.
I know a lot of the viewers would consider you to be an authority on the topic, Dawah to non-Muslims. And I think that's why it's an incredibly important show that we're going to start today. I'd like to ask you the first question, which is first and foremost in any scientific analysis of any topic, which is to define the topic, define the term dawah, and from our last show on Islaah, how does that differ from dawah?
Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam. Ala Rasulillah wa ala ali wa sahbihi ajmain. Amma ba'd. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri. Wa yassir li amri. Wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. As far as the word dawah is concerned, when anyone hears the word dawat, especially the people from the subcontinent, India and Pakistan, the moment they hear the word dawat, immediately they start thinking of mutton biryani or chicken biryani. They start thinking of a lunch party. Dawat does not mean a lunch party. Dawah or dawat means an invitation. And today, we will not be discussing about an invitation to a lunch party or dinner party. We are discussing about Dawat al-Islam, the invitation to Islam. And an invitation can only be given to an outsider. So dawah, that is the reason, can be only done to a non-Muslim. When we give information about Islam to a non-Muslim, inviting him towards Islam, the Arabic word used is dawah. And the meaning of Arabic word Islaah is to repair. It means to improve. So when we speak about Islam to a Muslim, giving him more information about Islam, the more appropriate word is Islaah. Though both these words are interchangeable, but if you want to use specifically, the word Islaah is used when we speak about Islam to a Muslim, giving him more information, and dawah is a word used when we speak about Islam to a non-Muslim, inviting him towards the fold of Islam.
Okay, right. Thank you for that definition. That's a very good start, inshallah.